If you're looking for a good all-in-one countertop, toaster oven, air fryer, etc., this unit by NUWAVE is a really nice option. So first we will turn it on here on the control panel, and as you can see you have a lot of different options to choose from. So you can press menu and then scroll through the different options that you need to utilize. And then once you select one, like we've got bake here for example, then you can press temperature and adjust the temperature as needed. And then once you get that set, you can also press time and adjust the time either down or back up as needed as well. Once you have everything set for your desired cooking needs, then you can turn the knob here and press start, and then you can also pause it as well. And then whenever you're done cooking, it'll beep, and once you're done cooking, you can turn the unit off. We'll turn it back on here, and as you can see on this menu panel, you've got several options, but you also have a light for the inside, so you can turn the light on and see what's going on in there. In addition, you have this pan that comes with it for frying or baking. It also comes with this basket that you can use as well, so you've got some great options there. Then if you look inside, it has these trays like a larger oven, which are adjustable as well, so you can adjust as needed for your cooking needs. But I really highly recommend this unit by NUWAVE. Gives you a lot of versatility and great cooking options.